Hey y'all, so I'm gonna make an oyster sauce for my Chinese broccoli. You could get your Chinese broccoli from 99 Ranch. I think it's called Kailan or something. Or you could just ask and be like, oh, I'm looking for Chinese broccoli. And they usually have those like little flower things, and that's how you know that it's Chinese broccoli. So cooking the Chinese broccoli is really easy. You just boil water and put in your vegetables, like about 3 minutes, and then you take it out and then strain it and then run some cold water in it so it stops the cooking process. For the sauce, what you do is you need at least 5 cloves of garlic and you cut it. So the garlic is diced. So what you do next is you need 2 tablespoons of sugar, put it in a bowl, and then you need 2 tablespoons of really hot water. You want to be in my video?
No.
And then what you do is 3 tablespoons of oyster sauce. You also need 1 tablespoon, no, not tablespoon, teaspoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, a 4th teaspoon of 5 spice. Mix that in. So the next thing you want to do is heat up your pan. Put a little bit of oil and then wait for it to just sizzle. Once it's sizzling, you add your... Oh shit. Ah! It's hitting me! Put it when you're done. My pan wasn't super hot, so make sure your pan is hot. So once it's brown, what you get is put in your sauce. Just keep mixing it. So it doesn't stick and get hard. For like about 2 minutes, 3 minutes, you take it out and then put it in the bowl. So this is what it's gonna look like, and you add it to your Chinese broccoli.